Have you ever wondered about the Commellini family? Well, I'd love to tell you some stories about that. I met my husband in high school, and we got married a couple years after high school. In that new wife sort of way, wanted to learn my mother-in-law's recipes. So I decided to meet up with her in her kitchen and with my pencil and paper as she talked about dashes and pinches of going into recipes and just knowing what it should supposed to taste like. So I spent many hours in her kitchen on many recipes. And when I would come home to make those, my husband would say, you know, they're not quite like my mother's, but though they're good, but just not quite the same. And I was just dumbfounded, and I'd go back over the recipe and back over looking through it, and still created the same dish that my mother-in-law had shown me. Well, as we had children and as they grew, they were also curious about these family recipes and the heritage and the legacy of that. So they would also ask their Nonna, or actually she went by Noni, but she would then show them the recipes, and lo and behold, realized that there was actually ingredients she left out of the recipe she gave me. So as my children loved the ability to know these recipes, they shared that with me, and so after all those years, indeed, I was actually given only certain recipes or ingredients for those recipes, but just thought it was a fun story to retell about my mother-in-law who loved us all through food.